Today, Bibi Ashi will identify the different sounds. Okay, my first question is, what is the sound of the pig?
Oink, oink.
Cow.
Moo.
Rooster.
Cockatoo.
Train.
Choo, choo.
Dog.
Woof, woof.
Cat.
Wow, wow.
Goat.
Meh.
Lion.
Wah.
Bee.
Bees.
Snake. Bird.
Tweet, tweet.
And the last is frog.
Rabbit, rabbit. Bye. Bye-bye. Subscribe. Subscribe.